Looking for a knife set that stays sharp longer and makes meal prep smoother? The Kyocera Revolution ceramic knife set delivers precision cutting with blades that hold their edge up to 10 times longer than traditional steel knives. If you want effortless slicing without the hassle of constant sharpening, this set could change how you cook. I bought this set as a gift for my wife, who loves cooking but already has everything else. These knives instantly became her go-to tools in the kitchen. The 6-inch chef's knife handles all-purpose cutting with ease, while the 5-inch serrated tomato knife glides through soft skins without crushing the fruit. The 3-inch paring knife is perfect for peeling and detailed work. What stood out was how lightweight and comfortable the ergonomic handles felt during use, making prep less tiring. Plus, the ceramic blades don't brown food, resist acids, and clean up quickly. No rust, no fuss. Just remember, these knives are delicate like glass. They're not meant for bones or frozen foods, so treat them with care. This set is crafted from Kyocera's proprietary zirconia ceramic, made in Japan, ensuring both beauty and exceptional quality. It's an ideal choice if you want knives that stay razor-sharp longer and offer precise control. Worth a look if you're tired of dull blades slowing you down. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen tools and enjoy cutting that feels effortless every time.